Ever heard of the one thing that could turn your greatest victory into your downfall? Get ready for Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aim for. In victory, know when to stop. It's the secret sauce to not just winning, but winning right. This law isn't just about winning, it's about winning smartly and sustainably. It teaches us the art of restraint and strategic planning, emphasizing the danger in overstepping our goals. Let's unpack this with a story that has echoed through time, reminding us of the fine line between triumph and catastrophe. Picture Cyrus the Great, a ruler whose victories were legendary, expanding his empire across lands far and wide. But here's where it gets interesting. His thirst for conquest led him to the Massagetes, ruled by the fierce Queen Tomyris. Despite her warning, Cyrus, blinded by his string of successes, pushed forward thinking he was invincible. His plan? A deceptive feast to lure the enemy into a trap. It worked, but only to a point. Tomyris, fueled by the loss of her son to Cyrus's deceit, rallied her forces for a counterattack that was both brutal and decisive. Cyrus fell, his empire wobbled, and his legacy was forever marred by his inability to stop while he was ahead. This story isn't just about a battle, it's a vivid illustration of how the intoxication of success can cloud judgment, leading even the mightiest to overlook the wisdom of restraint. The lesson here is clear: ambition, while a driving force, needs the reins of wisdom. Set clear goals, and once you achieve them, take a moment to assess, celebrate, and recalibrate if necessary. Don't let the adrenaline of victory push you into battles you're not prepared for or don't need to fight. Imagine standing on the peak of a mountain, the world sprawling beneath you. It's tempting to want to conquer the next peak in the distance, but sometimes the wise choice is to enjoy the view, strengthen your foothold, and plan carefully for the next climb. Share your stories, hit like if you've ever faced the dilemma of pressing forward or holding back, and follow for more insights into navigating the delicate balance of success.